welcome you all to yet another episode with me, Bhavani Muthusamy, ALP astrologer. So today I'm just going to share a few insights about love marriage. So many of us know that today's world is full of marriage-related issues. So many relationship issues are there. In particular, there are many issues are faced in marriage relationship, all because of lack of understanding, lack of influence from the outer world. Nobody is having compassion to hold on to the relationship for some time. All these can be dealt, just going to be discussed with astrological insights. What we do in ALP astrology is we used to analyze from birth lagna, where is your current lagna going through, and from that current lagna we used to see fifth houses, the relationships related to love. So if fifth house lord is placed in seventh house is related to marriage. So if there is connection between 5 and 7, there are more possibility for getting love marriages. Or else fifth house lord may have the aspect on seventh house. Even in that case also there is a possibility for love marriage. So anyhow, these 5 and 7 houses ought to be connected in any of the ways. Only then there is a possibility of getting love marriages. But there are some of the old sayings are there. If the person is born on Wednesday, they are more likely to get have the love marriage sort of thing. It is not that way, because many of the person who have born in Wednesday are getting arranged marriages. Even nowadays, all parents have a lot of concern towards whether my child is going to get a love marriage or arranged marriage. Recently, I have come across few horoscopes. Their parents are asking, will my son is going to get a love marriage or arranged marriage? I said it is showing that he is going to get an arranged marriage, and you have to see for him. They are actually disappointed. Oh, it is arranged marriage. It is not love marriage. Can you see it once more and tell me, is there any possibility for getting love marriage? If he chooses his own life partner, that will be more good than taking the responsibility on our shoulders. So nowadays, parents have changed a lot, that they are accepting love marriages and just giving the responsibility on to their children to take their own decision regarding their life. Love marriages is not possible for everybody. Even the fifth house is related to love. Many who come across their love relationship is not in getting into their marriage relationships. Many have failed in their love relationship. They have breakups, they have separated, get into another relationship, married some other person, all because of the planetary influence in their chart. So we cannot simply say that only the person born on this day or person born on this nakshatra will have love marriage. Everything changes. Your birth lagna changes. Your birth rashi nakshatra changes. According to your dasha bhukti, our birth nakshatra and birth rashi changes. So according to your current nakshatra, current lagna, your fate is determined. Love marriages, there are possibilities, but we have two different terms, right? Love and compatibility. Love is different and compatibility is different. Love is just a feeling that can be enjoyed, but compatibility is very much needed for a prolonged journey in their life as a spouse or life partner. To get that, that is why we used to see compatibility checks. 10 compatibility checks we are checking how long they are going to be together in a relationship. So in ALP astrology, we used to say for at least for 30 years, we used to check compatibility. How many years they have a good compatibility and how many years they'll be having issues with, in what field, in what nature they'll be having issues, and we'll be suggesting them. That is why before getting married, we used to suggest, have a counseling with ALP astrologer. How is my marriage life is going to be? Since there is no relationship without misunderstanding, and it is not going to be throughout the lifetime you are going to be doing well with one person, right? You will have some sort of issues with your spouse. There are possibilities, but you should know how long it is going to exist and how long I have to accept or I have to be away from that person. Everything is there in the astrology. So before getting married, just analyze your chart. Is there a possibility of love marriage and how long it is going to last? After marrying sometime, nowadays divorce has become very casual. After 5 days after marriage, after 1 day after marriage, they are telling that I am not compatible with this person and I'm getting divorced. It is as much as easy nowadays. Why should you invest so much money and time in one relationship and breaking it up, getting into another relationship? All these are unwanted, right? So before getting into any relationships, check your horoscope whether it is compatible for me, whether I'm going to deal with it for a longer duration, or it is not going to work for me, for it is going to be ended after a few years or few months. Then why should I get involved in this? Don't always see for love alone, check for compatibility also. So love and compatibility go hand in hand for a longer married life. Try to learn ALP astrology. Well, this is a 1 month course, so you can just learn and you can just see how is my marriage life is going to be, whether I have to adjust or my spouse has to adjust. Everything you can know by reading the horoscope. Thank you.